Machine gun rap for all my niggas in the back. Stadium pack.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, time for the show. Once again, thank you for coming to our theater tonight. Have an enjoyable evening.
What the fuck you think I'm here for? This is how I live out. It's just a fucking game, girl. My life is Nintendo. I beat this game every day. I beat this game every day. I beat this game every day. Try to find me this level when I'm fucking rough as hell. Hate to see me drunk, walking like I'm stuffing up against such a fuss. It's meant to be controller thoughts mentally. Plain to see my puppets and their demons and their fantasies. Must submit to the rule. I'm glad to this trail shit. My minions in the millions kill. I have to like to rap it. I got the plan and clutch still. X pill up in my gut. Now it's time to find a slut. Trick around and drinking nothing till the kids can bubble up. I got the dragon. This is random. I can fucking save them all. Bow your head and make a wish upon my soul in the Dragon Ball. Catch them all. Pokemon. Kappa known as choking blind.
Does she like it?
No doubt. Even though she crying. Oh wow. Sit down. I only kinda mean it. Feel the same burn. So on the jalapenos. The rap genius. Shadow, she and I will be united. That's just the kind of notion that she couldn't be second guess connected, intertwined, defined, but blinded by that silly glow. You know that fucking thing you saw, pretending that you didn't know. Where the fuck are you seeing right? This is in my head, right? How you playing sleep tonight? I'm looking over my shoulder now. This is fucking awkward. Now I wanna speak to a fucking author and give a second opinion about that glowing thing under my despite the things you think you know, proceed to test the world and glow. Look past the world and see the glow. Look past the world and see the glow. Look past the world and see the glow. Look past the things you think you know.
Lucifer pra mim em uma bandeja pra mim em uma bandeja pra mim em uma bandeja pra mim.
It's too bad your favorite rappers ain't inspired. That's why a nigga came to light the fire. Now the game is on my iron. I'm the nigga kids admire. Labels try to sign me, speculating my identity. Good luck, you never find me.
Em uma bandeja pra mim. Em uma bandeja pra mim. Em uma bandeja pra mim.
Some men aren't looking for anything logical, like money. They can't be bought, bullied, reasoned, or negotiated with.
I live my life like I'm Bruce Wayne. That bittersweet pain when you see what I became, like a curse upon my name. Caught between the fear and guilt and consequence of rising fame. I know the day the shit drops, my life will never be the same.
Either die a hero, or you live long enough to see yourself become the villain.
The night calls me, I feel the sky fall.
Some men actually want to watch it down.
Y'all know how I do. I got the last laugh at you in that awkward moment when you see that I'm the Joker too.
Bandeja
for it, but that's the point. He can be the outcast. He can make the choice. No one else can make it.
History's man of mystery, goaded by an insane lust to dominate and destroy. His mystic powers and physical strength made him the most dangerous man of his time. No one knew him. They only feared him. Now, at last, the real shocking story can be told.
Oh, Captain! For so long, I have quivered at the thought of your lips on my crudely drawn mouth.
Hey, don't talk like that, you slut!
Here is the amazing true story of the man whose evil genius still fascinates the entire world.
Hey, you know, someone had told me that you're famous.
The ladies adore him.
Captain Murphy. Hi. Now, sir, why do you think I should choose you to father my baby?
Huh? His hypnotic power mesmerized the entire world.
He has the Tsarina in his absolute power. Under hypnosis, he can make her do whatever he wishes. Do you understand what that means? He must be destroyed before he destroys us all.
But can they kill this man possessed by superhuman powers of evil?
Captain Murphy.
Linebacker nigga, flash stack, see through yellow lines. Rock a fly jersey in the summertime, guard. Magic marker rap, bleed Benedine. Relax, wrote this. Coming at
to be here today. Yeah. So you have to do something fucking nasty.
Do something for it. I just did something. Do something else now. I'll do something for a cigarette. that cool? What do you want to see though?
You want to jump this fucking tank luggage? Anybody want to jump this luggage?
That's alright, we gotta get going.
Anybody get up? Can you get over this motherfucker?
You got that?
No, dude. Try it. No, see if you can jump that fucker, dude.
You got this. Jump this fucker.
Got it.
Been a long time coming, been lost in the night. Learn how to do the Dougie with the devil in the moonlight.
Yeah, you too, dude. That looked good, dude.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Busting Josh down. Yeah, come on, Nick. Watch where you're going.
Sits right wherever we go. Long as we find two girls right after the show. Now what you thinking, no? Need a certain kind of person hurting from the daily grind and join us in the search. When we find true potential, but then it's like the girls for dinner and Venice. Conviction in my speech, all intents in the teeth. Lead them to a place where my mind got molded. Tell them not to worry when we travel blindfolded. It's just for precaution. Your new family is awesome. We got another here, drink another beer, and listen here. Going through the war zone, duh. All black hoodies carry torches, banging the sucks, like I said. So, cast around the fire, we cast all our work in. Blonde girl whispering in my ear that she's a virgin. Oh, well, I can smell it. Never thought I'd smell a sin of innocence. Living in the city made my own mama nemesis. Beyond the beyond, these sins of the flesh. I told her to undress so she could be blessed. It's a full moon, first June submission. We uphold tradition. Let the fire burn away the doubts in this mission. Take a step forward. She didn't even think twice. Cast in the fire, sing the song of virgin sacrifice.
Before the moment of death, the brand of Satan was burned in her flesh.
Tonight's movie premiere will be presented without intermission.
Caviar swag.
Yeah, see if you can jump that fucker, dude.